In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell print-on-demand can coolers on Shopify. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your product line or just starting out with e-commerce, this guide will walk you through the steps necessary to get your customized can coolers up and running on your Shopify store. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, as this is where you'll manage your store. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a sidebar with several options. You're going to want to click on Products. This section is where you'll manage your inventory and product listings. Now that you're in the Product section, it's time to add a new product. Look for the button that says Add Product and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can start filling in the details of your print-on-demand can coolers. It's important to be thorough and descriptive here, as good product descriptions can significantly impact sales. Make sure to include all the necessary details, such as the product title, which should be catchy yet informative, and a compelling description that highlights the unique features of your can coolers. Also, don't forget to add high-quality images. People will want to see exactly what they're buying, so clear, professional photos are a must. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, double-check your work to ensure everything is accurate and presented as you intended. This is crucial because any mistakes here could lead to customer confusion or dissatisfaction. After you're satisfied with your product listing, there's just one more step to complete this process. Look for the Save button and give it a click. This will publish your product to your Shopify store, making it available for customers to purchase. And that's it. You've successfully listed your print-on-demand can coolers on Shopify. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just about listing products, but also about ensuring that your store is user-friendly and visually appealing. Consider exploring Shopify's various themes and customization options to give your store a unique look that reflects your brand. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel ready to start selling your custom can coolers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy selling.